there's one word that exemplifies the whole brief, and that's cozy. We had to create a welcoming, inviting space for people to come into. So the biggest challenge for the Bumble project was around the M&E system. The mechanical system, we moved from the floor to the ceiling within a listed building, so working within a lot of different restrictions. This meant a lot of technical design, a lot of detailed consideration. We also mocked the entire system up on site so that the leadership team at Bumble could see exactly what they were going to get and the end product they were going to get. Another big challenge for the Bumble project was collaboration and making sure there were enough collaborative spaces for people to come to and that they didn't interrupt the quiet workspaces that took the majority of the space. Hospitality and amenity is such a big thing at Bumble. You can get your hair cut, you can have a really nice dinner, you can have a snack from the kitchen whenever you want. We had to make sure that all of these spaces had the right level of energy and liveliness and for people to be able to collaborate within them, but also have that consideration for the quieter areas. Successful solutions that we created for the Bumble team were by having a variety and choice. So across all of the floors that we've now worked in, we've created lots of different pockets of space. We've created lots of little nooks and areas for people to go to, and the building really lends itself to that. Those areas are provided with high acoustic treatment, they're enclosed, there are lights on the outside of the booths, for instance, so that you can see that those spaces are occupied. So even within this kind of highly collaborative, energetic working area, you've got lots of little spaces for people to go to. The real focus though was around the team rather than maybe the business ambitions. That was an important part of the process, but there was a heavy emphasis on making sure that every individual within the Bumble business felt cared for. They look after everybody, they keep the space clean, they make sure everybody's well fed, and it's part of that kind of nourishment and care that Bumble really give to their team members, and we had to create a space that allowed those people to do their jobs to the best of their ability. The final result for Bumble was a really successful product. You walk onto the space and the combination of warm lighting, the natural timbers, the fabrics that we used within the space create an overall cozy feeling and a sense of welcome.